Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to follow a TikTok account on the TikTok website. So if you're using TikTok on your computer or PC, if you're using TikTok on your PC or your MacBook, then let me show you how you can use TikTok to search. So let me show you how you can use TikTok. So let me show you how, So if you're using TikTok, So if you use TikTok on your, So if you use TikTok on your PC or your MacBook, then let me show you how to follow a user on TikTok. So first you need to go ahead and navigate to tiktok.com. Here you'll be asked to log in. So log into your TikTok account. Once logged in, go to For You and go ahead and browse through these videos. Now to follow a TikTok video, now to follow a TikTok user, go ahead and find this plus sign just above their profile picture. To follow it, go ahead and tap on the plus sign, and that way you follow their TikTok account. So again, just to repeat, just look at their, so again, just a recap, just look at their profile picture and then you'll see a plus sign. Go ahead and click on the plus sign and you'll follow their TikTok account. So there you go, guys. That is how to follow a TikTok account on your TikTok website. So there you go, guys. That is how to follow a TikTok account on the TikTok website.